Shlok 26 of chapter 1.
तत्रापश्यत् स्थितान् पार्थ पितॄनथ पितामहान् आचार्यान् मातुलान् भ्रातॄन् पुत्रान् पौत्रान् सखीन् तथा श्वशुरान् सुहृदश्चैव सेनयोरुभयोरपि
Tatra ev apashat pitrin sthitan. There, clearly saw the paternal side standing. At Parth Pitamhan Acharyan Putran. Similarly, O Panth, he saw the Babas in the form of great-grandfathers, learned men, sons. Matulan Bhatrin Potran Sakhin Shwashuran. Maternal uncles, brothers, grandsons, friends, fathers-in-law. Cha tatha surida ubhyo senyo api. And in the same way, relatives situated in both the armies too. Tatra ev apashat pitrin sthitan. At Parth Pitamhan Acharyan Putran. Matulan Bhatrin Potran Sakhin Shwashuran. Cha tatha surida ubhyo senyo api. Interpretation. There, Arjun clearly saw the ancestors or seeds of the demonic religions of the paternal side, standing in the religious war. Similarly, O Panth, he saw the Babas in the form of great-grandfathers like Bhishma, standing in the opposite wing, learned men, sons, maternal uncles, brothers, grandsons, friends, fathers-in-law, and in the same way, many other relatives situated in both the armies of Kauravas and Pandavas too. Babas literally means grandfather or a senior person. The sannyasis are also called Baba.